Good afternoon. My name is Kasey Hughart. I am the president of Dream Act Oklahoma, a student-led coalition advocating for the Dream Act on all levels, locally, statewide, regionally, and nationally. We are students from Tulsa Community College, the University of Tulsa, OSU Tulsa, and Tulsa Public Schools. Dream Act Oklahoma is an official affiliate within the United We Dream National Network. The Dream Act is a federal legislation that will allow undocumented students to gain legal status by either graduating from college or serving in the military. To qualify as a Dream Act beneficiary, the student must have good moral character, thus excluding anyone with criminal convictions. They must graduate from a U.S. high school or obtain a GED. They must reside in the United States for at least 5 consecutive years before the passage of the Dream Act, and they must have arrived to the United States before the age of 16. This past Wednesday, on December 1st, 2010, Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid introduced the Dream Act, also known as Senate Bill 3992, with new specifications to meet the needs of the Republican Party. It is expected to be voted on in the House of Representatives this Wednesday, December 8th, 2010, at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. The new specifications include 10 years of conditional non-immigrant status will be provided instead of 6 years. Within this time period, one must graduate with at least a 2-year degree from a higher institution or serve at least 2 years in the military. Undocumented students will specifically be banned access to health care subsidies. It lowers the age cap to 30 instead of 35, which excludes a significant number of exceptionally qualified students. It will be mandatory for students to undergo various background checks and medical examinations, as well as meet the English language and civics requirements which are required for naturalization. Dream Act Oklahoma believes that the Dream Act is the right step towards fixing our broken immigration system. This legislation is especially important to address the many situations in which immigrant children become victims in a very complex, outdated, inhumane immigration system. While many children enter the country illegally with their parents, the reality is that a significant number of Dream Act students enter legally with visas. Children are not capable of being their own immigration advocates when their legal status expires or needs renewal. Our purpose is to educate the public about the Dream Act and the advocacy we do, and we will continue to do so until our voices are heard. And as of today, we are officially ending our 8-day fasting for the Dream Act. We have not had any food during daylight hours for the past 8 days. We would like to thank the Greater Tulsa Hispanic Chamber of Commerce and Father David Medina for their support. Thank you.